Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the TCL 20XE for Metro by T-Mobile. So the TCL 20XE is a new smartphone for Metro. It was released on the 29th of October. So yeah, this is the phone right here. There it is. Very nice looking phone. This is a budget smartphone, so do keep that in mind. There it is, spinning around. Pretty sweet. So the full retail price of the TCL 20XE is $159.99. But if you guys switch to Metro, y'all guys can get the TCL 20XE for free if you guys switch to Metro. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out this phone out. So quick specs on the TCL 20XE is 6.52-inch HD plus display, 13 megapixel triple rear camera in the back, 5,000 mAh battery. Alright. So there's your teardrop notch in your earpiece there. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. Your TCL clock widget there, really nice. So pretty nice looking wallpaper there too. Yeah. The right side of the phone we go. There's your volume buttons and power key there on the right side there. And I think that's it for the right side there, right? Now taking it to the back side, you guys get 3 cameras on the back, along with your camera flash and your fingerprint sensor on the rear. And you do get your TCL logo on the back as well. Take it to the left side now. You do get a micro SD card and some card slot on the left side of the phone there. So pretty nice, and that is it on the left side. Take this phone to the top. Y'all guys get a headphone jack, which is very nice to have because a lot of phones now don't have those, so you do get a headphone jack. Is that a microphone right there? I don't know. I think you might have a microphone on top as well. I think so. It's kind of hard to tell. Then we'll take it to the bottom now. Y'all guys got your Type-C charging port, and one of those is your speaker. I don't think it's dual speakers. I think one of them is your microphone, and the other one is your speaker. So do keep that in mind, because I don't see no microphone hole on the bottom. So one of those speakers. So one of the speakers is your microphone. Because I do not see a microphone hole here. I don't see one. Alright, so it says here, enjoy a vivid cinematic experience with the TCL 20XE, featuring an expansive 6.52-inch V-notch display powered by Next Vision technology, a massive 5,000 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging, and a 13 megapixel AI powered triple camera system that will inspire you to create and share all your spontaneous moments. So yeah, pretty nice. You guys get a 13 megapixel triple camera in the back with AI, expensive 6.52-inch HD plus display powered by Next Vision technology, massive 5,000 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging, powerful 2 GHz octa-core processor, rear mounted fingerprint sensor, and facial recognition on board. So pretty nice. And like I said earlier in the video, y'all guys can get the TCL 20XE for free when you guys switch to Metro. So pretty cool. They're not bad for a free phone. Triple camera system, 13 megapixel main camera with 2 megapixel depth sensor and macro lenses, and AI scene detection. So y'all guys get a 13 megapixel camera along with a 2 megapixel macro and depth sensors on the rear, and AI scene detection as well. Power meets performance, 5,000 mAh battery paired with a powerful MediaTek 2 GHz octa-core processor. Security if effortlessly access your device with the rear-mounted fingerprint scanner or facial recognition. 6.52-inch HD plus display, multitask by swiping an app into a floating window or entering split screen mode. Vivid cinematic experience. Immerse yourself in the large 6.52-inch display with enhanced visuals. The 20:9 aspect ratio delivers a cinematic feel to all your media. TCL's adaptive display technology adjusts to your needs to improve image quality, reduce eye strain, and more. Play more, charge less. Use the power of artificial intelligence to make your photos pop. Breathe in new life into your most memorable moments. The TCL 20XE comes equipped with a high-res 13 megapixel primary camera and 2 megapixels lenses for portrait, depth, and super macro photos. Power meets performance. The massive 5,000 mAh battery paired with a powerful octa-core processor full smooth performance and uninterrupted entertainment. Quickly optimize performance and battery life with the TCL Smart Manager and recharge faster with the 18-watt fast charger. The TCL 20XE also comes with Metro Play. It says get more from your new phone with Metro Play. This phone includes Metro Play, an app offering curated content from over 90 of today's most popular channels, all for free. Y'all guys can learn more about that. Device specifications. Specs on here are pretty good. Like I said, this is a budget phone, guys, so do keep it in mind. This is, decent. It's not too bad. Y'all guys get 32 gigabytes of internal storage with up to 21 gigabytes available to use. You do get a micro SD card slot up to 1 terabyte. Scratch that. Y'all guys get a micro SD card slot up to 512 gigabyte. So take advantage of that. And it also has 3 gigabytes of RAM as well. Display is 6.52 inches. HD plus V-notch display. 3 cameras on the rear at 13 megapixel. Main camera 2 megapixel depth and a 2 megapixel macro lens on the rear. 5 megapixel front facing camera. Mobile hotspot capable. 27.8 hours of talk time. Android 11. MediaTek P22 octa-core 2 GHz processor. The TCL 20XE weighs 6.88 ounces. Alright. So not bad. Y'all guys do got some accessories here, like some headphones and memory cards and whatnot. A wall charger. If you guys want to get some accessories, y'all guys can try Amazon. Type in TCL 20XE on Amazon to see if anything shows up. But it probably won't have nothing there yet because this phone just came out. So y'all guys might have to wait a bit for accessories to show up on Amazon for the TCL 20XE. So, there you guys have it. The TCL 20XE is not here at Metro by T-Mobile. It's available now for $159.99 for a retail price. But if you guys switch to Metro, y'all guys can get this phone for free when you guys switch to Metro. So I think that's a pretty fair trade-off. Not bad for a free phone. Specs on here are decent. Like I said, this is a budget phone, so do keep it in mind. Very nice looking phone. It's very nice, So yeah, very nice looking phone, wallpaper and whatnot. Pretty decent specs on what, for one of this. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.